If you've not tried using mince in a curry, then you're missing out. This banging lamb keema curry is loosely based on my nan's Cape Malay keema, a dish I loved eating when I was growing up. Gently fry some chopped onions in ghee or oil, along with a couple of bay leaves for around 20 minutes until golden. Add in some garlic and ginger and your spices, which are listed in the recipe down in the caption. Toss in some fresh tomatoes and then cook for another 5 minutes. This will really thicken up and intensify the flavours. Add in as much fresh chilli as your bottom can handle and then the mince. I'm using lamb, but beef is also delicious in this dish. Continue cooking, then add in some more fresh tomato, potatoes and enough water to get this going. Pop a lid on and cook over a gentle heat for 30 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked through. Look out for the fats within this dish to split and rise to the top of the curry. Now at this point, I like to add in a dollop of natural yogurt and some fresh coriander. This curry is truly one of my favourite ever things to eat, and I need you to give it a go. I won't lie, a handful of frozen peas in there taste amazing too. The full recipe and method are down in the caption, so make sure to like and follow for more easy recipes, and they're also over on my website.